Number 7, be wary of filters, right? So Jesse makes a really important point here. Most good e-commerce sites have can have really complex filters where you can filter out, like on Amazon, you can filter out, hey, I only want to look at Prime products, etc. And some of the e-commerce sites that are out there are packages, not just sites, but the packages that support e-commerce, they will make a new URL for each filter, right? So now if that filter, as you start to narrow it down, it may still have the same number of products on it. So not number of products, but the same products on it. So now you got dupe content issues, right? Because it's a different URL, it's got the same content, so you got to be careful of that. You want to make sure it's best that, what she says is, check Google Search Console, see how many pages have been indexed. You should check Google Search Console regularly.
Yes.
And if the number of pages that have been indexed is like astronomical, like you're like, I don't even know how this is possible, then you need to go and do a no index, no follow in your robot text file, right? This will lead to those pages being dropped from the index, and you'll no longer lose sleep over the fact that you've got